Om Shanti, Essence of Murli, 11th of July 2020. Let us imbibe one more feature of Manmohini Didiji. Didiji never heard talks which was not in used or waste and used to make decision based on one kind of talk. If somebody complains someone, then at the same time they also decide to call him in front of them and give the clear instruction that she had to teach. Let's start godly virgins. Sweet children constantly have the one concern of studying well and giving yourself a tilak of sovereignty. It is through this study that you receive a kingdom. Question of the day: what should you children be enthusiastic and not disheartened about? Answer: always remain enthusiastic about becoming like Lakshmi and Narayan. Make effort for this and never become disheartened. The study for this is very easy. You can study this even while living at home. There are no fees for this, but you definitely do need courage. Song: You are the mother, you are the father. Essence for Dharna. First point: in order to claim a high status, make effort on yourself. Study this study and give yourself tilak of sovereignty. Imbibe this knowledge is very well and remain constantly cheerful. Second point: fill the sword of knowledge with the power of remembrance. Cut away all bondage with remembrance. Never watch dirty movies or make your thoughts impure. Blessing: may you be in an unlimited stage of retirement and engaged in staying in solitude and remembrance. According to the present time, all of you are close to the stage of retirement. Those who are in the stage of retirement do not play childhood games. They remain constantly in solitude and remembrance. All of you who are in an unlimited stage of retirement stay constantly in the depths of one, that is, you stay constantly in solitude. Bap Dada's pure hope for all the children is that the children and the father now become equal. Always stay merged in remembrance. To be equal is to become merged. This is a sign of the stage of being in retirement. Slogan: take one step of courage and the Father will take 1,000 steps of help. Om Shanti.